Purpose of this event is awareness, to show that customer of Tata Uganda to get awareness and then to know that Tata care about them, think about them. That's the reason why this event is so crucial, to create awareness. That's around awareness, to hopefully bring the customer closer, to give them the new products and try to show them as we are so near. Tata has become so near than before. So traveling to Kampala, it may remain as history, because now as it gets nearest service provider to they are near to their door.
In Uganda, Tata is for last 20 years. We are having here the full commercial vehicle range, like 0.5 tonner to 49 tonner. Throughout the country, we have a service and part network. Approximately, we have 10 service stations and 19 parts retailers. The purpose of here is just to add one more milestone in our journey in Uganda. So to have a partnership with nntatamotors to support the West Nile region customers, to provide our best-in-class service to them and provide the on-site service to our key customer. And we will, with this business, after-sales business, we will also try to develop the skill enhancement in a youth through our training in Uganda and in our training in India.
It's a great pleasure to have nnTata open up in Arua. We are very privileged to handle customers and have their cars worked on. As far as service delivery is concerned, we have various types of parts available for all Tata Motors here in Arua.
Groups of companies has gotten into partnership with Tata International, and we are working in partnership with them. We were able to invest in a lot of money as NN group of companies. As you can see down there, we have a new state-of-art of machines that we have. We have quite a number of them. We have a complete set of paint mixture. We no longer send our customers to Kampala. We do the mixing of all the paints here of various cars. We also have a complete set of computerized wheel alignment, wheel balancing machines, and these are quite a big investments that we put in. And as you look down, we have actually it's a complete set of what is required in our standards or by our partners. We're so proud to tell you that we have a very big space for our customers' cars. We have 4 service pits, which are well manned by very well-trained technicians who have been undergoing a number of trainings in different fields, a minimum period of 2 years for every technician.
So objective of this program is basically to reach out throughout the country on Uganda and to provide support to our all customers. So I want to say, with this note, I want to say the best of luck to Mr. Noor, the MD of nntatamotors. Thank you.
Mr. Nuru, you most welcome our ministers as the RDT is around 10 days.